Okay, we're going to very quickly review through the carbon-oxygen cycle in case you had some questions and just needed to think through that process again. Again, like the water cycle, this is a cycle, so there's really no beginning place or no end, but for our purposes, we're going to start right here just to describe the cycle. So this picture represents a human, obviously, but humans are not the only organisms on the planet that go through respiration. So if we were going to put this into some steps, I'm going to use the word animals and recognize that human beings are part of the animal kingdom. But we're talking about any organism that breathes. And basically, we breathe in oxygen. All of us know this. And we release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is a greenhouse gas. And if it just stayed there, it would cause our planet problems, some global warming. There are three other things that I want to mention that can also contribute carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. We've got those represented in our pictures up here. One of those things would be a car burning fuel would give off carbon dioxide. Wood burning fires can also give off carbon dioxide. Basically anything that burns or goes through combustion. And factories that use some type of energy source. They burn some type of energy source. Those all three can contribute carbon dioxide into the atmosphere also. So if that carbon dioxide wasn't dealt with, then it would cause a problem for our planet. It would build up, and eventually we'd have severe effects of global warming. But fortunately on our planet we have something that can recycle that carbon dioxide, and that's plants. I know our picture shows a tree here, but that tree represents all of the plant life, any kind of plant that can photosynthesize or make its own food. So the third step in this process would be plants take in the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and then as they photosynthesize, as they make their own food, they use up that carbon dioxide and they release oxygen back into the atmosphere. So the animal kingdom, along with different things that burn, all contribute carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. That carbon dioxide gets absorbed into plant life, which through the process of photosynthesis changes that carbon dioxide into oxygen. The oxygen is then released by the plant life back into the atmosphere, where we as humans in the animal kingdom then breathe that oxygen back in. Our cells go through respiration and we release the carbon dioxide back out. In other words, the cycle repeats. And that's the carbon-oxygen cycle.